Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Can you imagine storing 28 pairs of shoes in your dining room and nobody noticing? Well, it's totally possible with this gorgeous shoe cabinet from Organized Life. So it has 3 flip open drawers and dividers, which means you have space for up to 28 pairs of your shoes, totally hidden away, looking gorgeous. There's a convenient top drawer to catch everything, like your keys or the leash that you need for your dog or your sunglasses, how you're always losing things and some pieces of mail pile up everywhere. Well, this little drawer keeps everything organized and hidden away. I was surprised by the quality of this product and how sturdy it was. As I was building it, I was impressed by how durable even the fasteners were, and the entire construction is heavy and well built. So wherever you might need storage and organization for your shoes, this shoe cabinet is not going to disappoint you. It's going to be a beautiful addition to any space in your home. It's narrow enough to place right next to an entryway door or a mudroom or a hallway, but beautiful enough to be another piece in your collection in your home. So you're going to be able to display this with confidence, but also get all of your shoes in one place and hidden right in plain sight. So I'm really in love with this beautiful organizational piece for your shoes from Organized Life. And that is my point of view.